following video is going to show you how to transform an image. There are a bunch of options for this, and you guys can play around with them, but just want to kind of show you the basics. So first of all, we have content aware scale and free transform, which really just allow me to change the image. So let me just go into transform here, and then I'll kind of show you some of these others up here. So if we go to edit transform, I can scale, rotate, skew, distort, perspective, warp, and rotate my. So obviously rotating my image rotates it. You know, rotate allows me to rotate it manually. Scale allows me just to change the size. Skew and distort and perspective allow me to really like change different, you know, angles of the image to move them around. It's really good to just go in and kind of play around with these and see what each of them does. And then we have our puppet warp. So puppet warp is really good, like if I had a finger and I wanted to move, like if I wanted to move, let's say I wanted to bend this pole right here. I might put 2 points here. And you have to kind of play around. So I don't want the rest to move. So let's put some points around the image so it's not going to move. Think of this almost like there we go. Moving the pole. So what I'm doing in this is I am telling it, I'm almost like, think of like a Play-Doh, and I'm putting different points, and then I can move those points around. So that's exactly like, these are all anchor points. And then I can move an anchor point, and the image won't move in relation to the rest of my points. So what I've done is I've moved the pole. And then we have our perspective warp, which what this does is, so this is kind of an odd thing. So I'm going to select up here, and I will select, actually let's select 2 parts of the pier. These are going to connect together. There we go. Let's do that a little bit. There we go. Now I can move the pins to manipulate. So you can see in a lot of ways these tools can all kind of, in some ways, do a lot of the similar things, but they give you multiple ways to choose to do it. Really the best thing to do is to go in and play around with each of these. But that's how you use the transform tools. Thank you.